Hi everyone, I'm Joanne and welcome to Chop Chat Cook. I've got Kim in the kitchen. Welcome, Kim.
Hi Joe, thanks for having me in your kitchen today.
Oh, so good to have you. So we're making jam drops.
Yum.
I know, yum. And we're up to the point where we're just about to roll it into balls and pop them on the tray. And then they'll go into the oven to be cooked. And what we're going to talk about while we're doing that is manufactured homes.
Yeah, I want to know more about this, Joe. Tell me.
It's a good question, Kim, because I didn't know very much about it either. And so primarily they're in like caravan parks. That's sort of where they've started.
Okay.
So the home, you buy the home, but you don't own the land that it sits on.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and then you could move the house.
You could move the house, but in reality it would be really expensive.
I see.
And you'd need somewhere to move it to.
Right.
Yeah.